Hello, welcome to my class. In the last videos, we discussed some questions from question papers from the chapter surface areas and volumes. In this video also, we are going to discuss some more questions. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do like the video if you like my class and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to get notifications also. If you have any doubts, you can ask that as comments. Okay. So let us start now, and the question is, a solid metallic cylinder of radius 3.5 cm and height 14 cm is melted and recast into a number of solid metallic balls, each of radius 7 by 12 cm. Find the number of balls so formed. So we have volume of this metallic cylinder will be equal to the volume of one metallic ball into number of balls, right? N, we can take it as N. N is the number of balls. So, this is equal to volume of metallic cylinder is equal to volume of one metallic ball into the number of balls. So, N is equal to, number of balls is equal to volume of metallic cylinder by volume of one metallic ball. Okay, and volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h, which is equal to pi into r square is, this is radius is 3.5, so 3.5 into 3.5 into h is 14. So volume of cylinder is this, and volume of metallic ball, it is 4 by 3 pi r cube. And what is r cube here? It is radius 7 by 12. So we can write this as 7 by 12 into 7 by 12 into 7 by 12. Okay. Now n is equal to volume of cylinder by volume of one metallic ball, which is equal to pi into 3.5 into 3.5 into 14 divided by 4 by 3 pi into 7 by 12 into 7 by 12 into 7 by 12. And that is equal to pi and pi will get cancelled. And we'll get this as 3.5 into 3.5 into 14 into 3 into 12 into 12 into 12 by 4 into 7 into 7 into 7. Okay. Now 4 will go in 12 3 times and 7 will go in 3.5 0.5 times. So this is also 0.5, and this 7 will, that is 1 7 will go in 3.5 0.5 times, and this 7 will go in 3.5 0.5 times, and this 7 will go in 14 2 times. Okay, now 0.5 into 2 is 5 into 2 is 10. So 0.5 into 2 is 1.0, which is 1. So we can take this as 1. Now it won't make any difference in calculation. Now 0.5 into 3. What is 0.5 into 3? 5 into 3 is 15. So 0.5 into 3 is 1.5. Now 1.5 into 3 is nothing but 4.5. We know that. And 4.5 into 12 into 12. 12 into 12 is 144. Now we can multiply this by 4.5. Just multiply by 445 and add one decimal. So 45 into 144, 720, then 16, 17, 5. We got this as 6480 and one decimal is there because we are multiplying by 4.5. So number of such metallic balls that can be made from this metallic cylinder is 648. Understood? Next one, a sphere of diameter 6 cm is dropped in a right circular cylinder vessel partly filled with water. The diameter of the cylindrical vessel is 12 cm. If the sphere is completely submerged in water, by how much will the level of water rise in the cylindrical vessel? So, a cylindrical vessel is there and a ball is dropped, sphere is dropped into the cylinder. So, this is having some water in it, and after dropping sphere, how much water will rise in the cylinder? That is, we have to find this rise in water in the cylinder. And we know that this rise in water, that is this volume, the volume of this will be equal to volume of this, right? So, volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, where r is equal to, given that r is equal to 6 by 2. Diameter is 6 cm. So, r equal to 6 by 2, which is 3 cm. So, this is equal to 4 by 3 pi into 3 into 3 into 3. So, 1 3 will get cancelled, which is equal to 36 pi. So, this is 36 pi centimeter cube. Volume of sphere is 36 pi centimeter cube. Now, volume of water that is volume of water raised in the cylinder, or we can write volume of water that will rise in the cylinder is equal to pi r square h. We can write capital R because we have taken small r for sphere. So, pi r square h, which is equal to pi into r is given as this 12 centimeter. Diameter is given as 12 centimeter. So, capital R will be 6. So, 6 square into h. And this is equal to this because volume of water that will rise in the cylinder is equal to volume of this sphere. So, pi into 6 square into h is equal to 36 pi. That is, this is also 36 pi into h is equal to 36 pi. So, h is equal to 1 centimeter. So, water that will rise in the cylinder is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, understood? Next question, find the number of coins of 1.5 cm diameter and 0.2 cm thickness to be melted to form a right circular cylinder of height 10 cm and diameter 4.5 cm. Number of coins that has to be melted to form a right circular cylinder of height 10 cm and diameter 4.5 cm. So, number of such coins into volume of one coin will be equal to volume of the cylinder, right? So, number of coins, let us take it as n into volume of coins, one coin, that is n into volume of one coin will be equal to volume of cylinder. Okay, so from this n equal to volume of cylinder by volume of one coin. And what is volume of cylinder? It is pi r square h, which is equal to pi into r square, that is 4.5 by 2. 4.5 by 2 into 4.5 by 2 into height is 10 centimeter. So, into 10. Okay. Now, volume of one coin is equal to this diameter is this. So, and coin is in the shape of cylinder. So, it is also pi r square h, which is equal to pi into 1.5 by 2 into 1.5 by 2. We can write it like that itself. Into height is 0.2 centimeter. That is, thickness will be the height of the coin, right? So volume of one coin is this much. Now number of coins n is equal to volume of cylinder, that is pi into 4.5 into 4.5 into 10. We can write in the denominator 2 into 2. Divided by this. So we can take reciprocal of this. So all the numerator parts will come in the denominator and denominator numbers in the denominator will come in the numerator. So we have into 2 into 2 and into pi into 1.5 into 1.5 into 0.2. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Pi and pi will get cancelled. Now we have 4.5 by 1.5 is 3 because 45 divided by 15 is 3. So this is 3, this is 3 and 10 by 0.2 is 100 by 2 which is 50. So we have 50 into 9 which is equal to 450. So number of such coins needed to make this right circular cylinder is 450. Okay. 57th question. A cone of height 24 cm and radius of base 6 cm is made up of clay. If we recast it into a sphere, find the radius of the sphere. So, volume of these two will be the same because cone is made into this sphere. It is reshaped into sphere. So, volume will be same. So, volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. We can take smaller and small h as the radius and height of the cone. So we will get this as 1 by 3 pi r square h, which is equal to 1 by 3 pi into r square is 6 square into h is, this h is 24. Okay. So this is equal to 1 by 3 pi into 6 square into 24 and volume of sphere is equal to, what is volume of sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. We can take it as capital R. So this is equal to this, which means 4 by 3 pi capital R cube is equal to 1 by 3 pi into 6 square into 24. Now R cube is equal to 1 by 3 pi into 6 square into 24 divided by 4 by 3 pi. Pi and pi will get cancelled and it will become like 1 by 3 into 6 square into 24 into 3 by 4 reciprocal. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled and 4 will go in 24 6 times. So this is equal to 6 cube. R cube equal to 6 cube means R is equal to 6 centimeter. So radius of this sphere is 6 centimeter. Understood? Next question, a metallic sphere of total volume pi is melted and recast into the shape of a right circular cylinder of radius 0.5 centimeter. What is the height of the cylinder? So we know that volume of sphere is equal to volume of cylinder or right circular cylinder. You can write like this now. Volume of sphere equal to volume of cylinder, and what is volume of sphere? It is given as pi. Pi equal to, what is volume of cylinder? It is pi r square h, right? And r is equal to 0.5 centimeter. So we have pi equal to pi into 0.5 square into h. So we have to find this height of the cylinder. H is equal to pi by pi into 0.5 the whole square. Pi and pi will get cancelled and this is equal to 1 by 0.25. Now we can multiply numerator and denominator by 100. So we will get this as 100 by 25, which is equal to 4 centimeter. So height of this cylinder is 4 centimeter. Okay. Now 59th question. A metallic solid sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter is melted and recast into the shape of a solid cylinder of radius 6 centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder. So metallic solid sphere is melted into the shape of a solid cylinder. So volume of sphere and volume of cylinder will be the same. So what is volume of a sphere? It is 4 by 3 pi r cube, which is equal to 4 by 3 pi into r cube is 4.2 the whole cube. Okay, now volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Pi r square h, or we can write pi r square h, which is equal to pi into r square, 6 square into h, and we have to find this h. We know that this is equal to this, so 4 by 3 we can write, we want to find h, so we can write this in the left hand side. So pi into 6 square into h is equal to 4 by 3 pi into 4.2 the whole square. So h is equal to 4 by 3 pi into 4.2 into 4.2. It is 4.2 the whole cube. So 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2 divided by 6 into 6. That is, we have taken this down, that is we have to find h. So pi is also there, pi into 6 into 6, pi and pi will get cancelled and 6 will go in 4.2, 0.7 times, this will go in 4.2, 0.7 times. Now 0.7 into 0.7 is 0.49 and 3 will go in 4.2, 1.4 times, right? Now 0.49 into 1.4. 0.49 into 1.4, we can multiply 49 by 14 and 4 nines are 36. 16 plus 3 is 19. Then 49, we will get this as 686. So this is equal to 3 decimals are there. So 0.686 into 4. 24, 4 8s are 32, 34, 24 plus 5 is 27. So 2.744 centimeter is the height of this cylinder. Okay. Next question. Water is flowing at the rate of 0.7 meter per second through a circular pipe whose internal diameter is 2 centimeter into a cylindrical tank, the radius of whose base is 40 centimeter. Determine the increase in the level of water in half an hour. Okay, so water is flowing at the rate of 0.7 meter per second. So length of water that flows out in 30 minutes, that is half an hour, 30 minutes is equal to, it is 0.7 meter in 1 second. So meter, 0.7 meter means, to convert it to centimeter we have to multiply it by 100 because all the other units are in centimeter. So 0.7 into 100 into, it is this much meter in 1 second. So in 1 minute it will be into 60. And in 30 minutes it will be into 30. So this much meter of water will flow in 30 minutes. Okay. So volume of water flowing through the pipe in 30 minutes is equal to pi r square into h, right? Because pipe will be in the form of a cylinder and so its volume will be pi r square h. So it is equal to pi, h can be taken as the length of water that is flowing. So pi into r square, the radius is, diameter is 2 centimeter, so radius is 1 centimeter. So 1 square into h is 0.7 into 100 into 60 into 30. Okay. And this is equal to the increase in water in the tank. that is cylindrical tank, right? And what is volume of cylindrical tank? It is pi r square h, and it is equal to, we can write it as r square h, capital R square h, because we have taken small r and small h for the pipe. So we can take it like this, pi into capital R square into h, and that is equal to pi into r square is 40 square into h. Now this is equal to this. So pi into 40 square into capital H is equal to pi into 1 square is 1, 0 0.7 into 100 into 60 into 30. So H is equal to pi into 0 0.7 into 100 into 60 into 30 by 40 into 40. So these two zeros will get cancelled, and 2 will go in for 2 times, 2 will go in 6, 3 times. Okay, so this is equal to 7 into 3, that is 0.7 into 3 is 2.1, and 2.1 into 3 is 6.3, and into 100 is there. So it will become 630. 630 by 2 into 4 is 8. Now 63 by 8 is 7. 7 8s are 56, and 7 remainder. 70 by 8 is 8 8s are 64. Then 6 remainder. Then 60 by 8 is 7 8s are 56. 4 remainder. Then 40 by 8 is 5. So it is equal to 78.75 centimeter. Understood? Next question. A well of diameter 4 meter is dug 21 meter deep. The earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around it in the shape of a circular ring of width 3 meter to form an embankment. Find the height of the embankment. So we have done a question like this. That is, a well is there and the earth taken out is spread evenly to form an embankment, and the embankment will be like a ring. That is, this inner part is the well and this outer part will be the ring. So it will be in the form of a ring with some height. Okay, so find the height of the embankment. We have to find the height of the embankment. So we know that the volume of earth taken out will be equal to the volume of the ring, right? So volume of earth taken out is equal to volume of ring. And what is the volume of earth taken out? Volume of earth taken out is equal to pi r square h, that is pi into r square, that is d by 2, which is 2 square into height is 21 meter. So this is the volume of earth taken out. And what is volume of ring? Volume of ring is equal to pi into r square minus r square into h. We can write it as capital H. And pi into r square minus r square into h. And we have to find this height of the embankment. And we know that earth taken out spread evenly in the shape of a circular ring of width. Width is given, that is, this width is given as 3 meter. This is 3 meter, that is capital R minus small r is equal to 3. And radius of the well is given as 2 meter. Diameter is 4 meter, means radius is 2 meter. So R is equal to 2 meter. And R minus 2 is equal to 3. So capital R will be equal to 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5 meter. So this capital R, this length is 5 meter. Okay. Now this is equal to this. Volume of earth taken out is equal to this. So pi into r square, that is 25, minus small r square is 4, into capital H is equal to pi into 2 square into 21. Okay. Now height is equal to pi into 2 square into 21 by pi into 25 minus 4, which is equal to pi and pi will get cancelled. 2 square into 21 by this is 21. So 21 and 21 will get cancelled, and this is equal to 4 meter. So height of this embankment will be 4 meter. Okay. Next question. A cylindrical tub whose diameter is 12 cm and height 15 cm is full of ice cream. The whole ice cream is to be divided into 10 children in equal ice cream cones with conical base surmounted by hemispherical top. If the height of the conical top is twice the diameter of base, find the diameter of conical part of ice cream cone. So, this cylindrical tub, there is a cylindrical tub, and in that ice cream is there, and this is full of ice cream, and this tub, ice cream from this tub is divided into 10 children, and these 10 children are getting in cones which has a hemisphere surmounted on top of cone. So volume of ice cream in cylindrical tub is equal to pi r square h, which is equal to pi into r square, that is 12 by 2 square, which is 6 square, into height is 15, and ice cream is divided to 10 children. So we can calculate this, how much it is 36 into 15, which is 540 pi centimeter cube. So this is the volume of ice cream in the cylindrical tub, and it is divided to 10 children. So one child will get 54 pi centimeter cube of ice cream, right? And volume of this ice cream cones will be equal to 54 pi, that is the volume that a child gets, isn't it? So volume of ice cream one child gets is equal to, or we can write volume of ice cream for 10 children is equal to 540 pi centimeter cube. So volume of ice cream one child gets is 540 pi by 10, which is equal to 54 pi centimeter cube. So this is the volume of ice cream that one child gets, and it is equal to this volume of ice cream cone. And what is volume of ice cream cone? It is equal to, it is said that there is a cone and a hemisphere is surmounted on top of the cone. So it is equal to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere, and that is equal to volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. We can take capital R and capital H for this cone. So because we have taken small r and small h for cylindrical tub. So it is equal to 1 by 3 pi capital R square h plus volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Right? So it is equal to 1 by 3 pi in r square into, and given that height of the conical top is twice the diameter of the base. That is, height is equal to twice the diameter, which is equal to 2 into diameter is twice the radius. So 2 into 2r, which is equal to 4r. Okay, so we can substitute 4r here plus 2 by 3 pi r cube, which is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube plus 2 by 3 pi r cube, and that is equal to 6 by 3 pi r cube. And this is equal to 2 pi r cube. Volume of this ice cream cone is 2 pi r cube. And it is equal to volume of ice cream that one child gets. That is, volume of ice cream in the cone is, one cone is the volume that one child gets. So 2 pi r cube is equal to 54 pi. Pi and pi will get cancelled, and or we can write it as 2 pi r cube is equal to 54 pi. So r cube is equal to 54 pi by 2 pi. Pi and pi will get cancelled, and we have this as 27. So r is equal to cube root of 27, which is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, understood? And height is twice the diameter. So diameter is 6 centimeter. So height will be 12 centimeter. Understood? Next one, a hemispherical tank of diameter 3 meter is full of water. It is being emptied by a pipe at the rate of 3/4/7 liter per second. But how much time it will take to make the tank half empty? Use pi equal to 22/7. Hemispherical tank is full of water, and water is being emptied from this tank by a pipe at the rate of 3/4/7 liter per second. We have to find the time in which this tank will be half empty. So, what is volume of this tank? Volume of tank, hemispherical tank. You can write volume of hemispherical tank is equal to 2/3 pi r cube. Right? And that is equal to 2/3 into pi into r cube. That is, r is 3/2. So we can take it as 3/2 into 3/2 into 3/2. So this is equal to, this 2/3 and 3/2 will get cancelled, and this is equal to 9/4 pi. Okay, and we can change this pi as 22/7. So we will get this as, we can cancel 2 from this. We will get 99/14. So volume of hemispherical tank is 99/14. It is meter cube because this is in meter, and this is liter. And we know that 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. So we can multiply this by 1000 to get in terms of liter. So this is equal to 99000 by 14 liter. We can write like this itself. Okay. Now this tank is emptied by a pipe at the rate of 3/4/7 liter per second. So 3/4/7 liter is equal to 21 plus 4, 25/7. 25/7 liter is emptied in 1 second. Okay, so we can write 1 second. In 1 second, 25/7 liter is emptied. So 1 liter will be emptied in 7/25 seconds, right? And how many liters are there here in this tank? 99000 by 14 liter, but we have to empty only half of it. So half of the tank, half the volume of tank is equal to 99000 by 14 into 2. It is 49500 by 14. We can again divide this by 2. We will get 24750 by 7. Okay. So we got this as 24750 by 7. So we have to empty this much liter. So 24750 by 7 liter will be emptied in 7 by 25 into 24750 by 7 seconds. Okay, so this 7 and 7 will get cancelled and 25 will go in 247. How many times? 9 times, right? That is 9 into 25 is 225. Then 22 is remaining. Now 22, 25. Again 9 is there and 0. So it will be emptied in 990 seconds. Now we have to convert this to minute. 990 seconds is 990 by 60 minutes, which is equal to 990 by 60 is, we can divide it by 3. We will get this as 330 and this is 20. 0, 0 will get cancelled and it is equal to 16 1 by 2 minutes. That is, it is equal to 16 minutes 30 seconds. 1 by 2 minute is 30 seconds. So, this will be emptied in 16 minutes 30 seconds. Okay.